Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Chase app work fine on your mobile data but completely stops working the moment you connect to Wi Fi? This is a known Chase issue and the fix is simple. First, go to your iPhone settings and tap on Wi Fi, and then tap on the letter I circle next to your Wi Fi, and then tap Forget this network and confirm. After that, turn Wi Fi off and then turn it back on. Find your network and reconnect it by adding in your password again. This clears the broken session that Chase was stuck on. If it still does not work on Wi-Fi, the problem might be your router's DNS settings. Go back to the Wi-Fi network settings and tap on the configure DNS and tap manual and then add Google's DNS. Tap add servers by and then type 8888. Tap add server again and then type 8844. Then save. This gives Chase a direct clean connection to its servers. After doing this, open Chase and it should work properly on Wi-Fi again. Now, all you've got to do was forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect. And if it needed, switch to Google DNS. Chase will work on Wi-Fi again. Subscribe for more banking app fixes.